Good morning, children. So the revision on fractions is going on, beta. And yesterday we have seen some word problem. So let us see some more word problems on addition and the subtraction of fractions. So the first question is beta. Rohit was 5 integer 2 upon 3 kilometer in morning. And 4 integer 1 upon 5 kilometer in the evening. How much distance he walks in a day? Okay. So what is better? Rohit walks 5 integer 2 upon 3 kilometer in the morning and 4 integer 1 upon 5 kilometer in the evening. And you have to find the total distance walked by Rohit. So total distance means what you have to find? You have to find the sum of the distance. Okay, sum means plus. That means what? You have to add both the fractions. Total distance traveled by, walked by, equals to 5 integer 2 upon 3 plus 4 integer 1 upon 5. Okay. So children, what is this button? They are the mixed fraction. So what to do? First, we will convert it into improper fraction. Okay. And do you know how to convert? Multiply this denominator and this whole number and then add the numerator. 5 3s are 3 5s are 15 plus 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 1. 21 upon 5. Okay. Now see, they are the unlike fractions. So what to do? When denominators are unlike, so very first convert them into like fraction. And to convert into like fraction, we have to find the lowest common multiple. So what should be the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5? There are so many common common multiples. Okay, why? Because the multiples are infinite. That's why we have to find the least. Least means lowest common multiple. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are. So here you can write lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is 15. And our fractions are 17 upon 3 plus 21 upon 1. Okay. So to make this 3 15, we have to multiply it by 5 and numerator also multiplied by 5 to make them equivalent. To make this 550, we have to multiply this 5 by 3 and hence we have to multiply the numerator also by 3. So 70 upon 3 multiplied by 5 plus 21 5 3s are 70 multiplied by 5 3 5s are 15. So it is 85 plus it is 15. 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 6. Okay, now they becomes the like fraction. So we will add only numerator. So 85 plus 60 equals to 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 148 divided by 15. 148 divided by 15. Now see children, 148 divided by 15. So if you divide this 148 by 15, you will not get the whole number. This 148 is not the multiple of 15. Okay. Now see children, the question is given in the mixed fraction. That's why you have to write the answer in mixed fraction. Okay, so after that I'm writing here. 15 9s are 135. Means whole number is what? 9 divided by 15. 148 minus 135. What is it? What is left with that? 9 integer 13 upon 15. So it is what? Kilometer walked by moving. Okay. See, in the question, unit is given kilometer, so you must have to write the unit. Otherwise, your answer is incomplete. Got it, beta? So let's see, beta, another question. Rani got upon 5 meters of cloth sorry, of ribbon. And Preeti got integer 3 upon 7 meter of ribbon. Who got more and by how much? Who got more and by how much? Okay. So what is given in the question? Rani got 3 integer 2 upon 5 meter ribbon and Preeti got 3 integer 3 upon 7 meter of ribbon. So who got more? So for that you have to compare both the fractions. So they will get who got more and by how much. So to find by how much we have to subtract. Okay, so see, Rani got 3 integer 2 upon 5 meter. Equals to what? Again, it is mixed fraction. So first we will convert it into improper fraction by multiplying denominator and this whole number and then add numerator. So 5 is 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5 meter. Preeti got 3 integer 3 upon 7 meter. Equals to what? 7 is 21. So Preeti got 24 upon 7 meter. Now you have, now see that it is 5 and it is 7. So what to do? And both are the unlike fractions. Now see, you can compare either by, see, you have learned how to compare the fractions. So how to compare? Either you can see 17 upon 5 and 24 upon 7. So you can cross multiply and write the answer here. Cross multiply and write the answer here and see which one is better. Okay, now but we have to find how much, means we have to find the lowest common multiple. So one more method to compare the fractions are make the fractions like and compare their numerator. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction. So we have to find the lowest common multiple. Why? Because we have to subtract these fractions to find by how much. Okay. So we will find lowest common multiple of this 5 and this 7. And it is what? 35. 5 sevens are 35. So let's convert into improper. 17 upon 5. So here I am putting comma. And 24 upon 7. So to make this 5, 35, we have to multiply it by 7. Okay. And 24 upon 7, we have to multiply it by 5. 17 sevens are 190 upon 7. It is 120 upon, sorry, 35. Now, this first fraction is for Rani and the another, see, here we will write, here it is Rani's fraction and it is Preeti's fraction. See, denominators are same. Which one is better? 120 is better. So who got more remain? This fraction is for Preeti. So Preeti got more remain. Okay. Now second question. By how much? So by how much you have to subtract. So let's subtract. Okay, so after that, now Preeti got more. Means Preeti's fraction is 3 integer 3 upon 7 minus 3 integer 2 upon 5. So you can, yeah, or directly we can take this. So after making the denominator slide, our fractions are 120 upon 35 and Rani's fraction is 119 upon 35. Okay. But first we will convert and then make the denominator. So we already done it. Okay, so no need to do again and again the same thing. Okay. It is 120 upon 35 minus 119 upon 35. Denominators are same. 120 minus 119 and is equal to 1 upon 35. So Preeti got 1 upon 35 meter more reading than Rani. So here I am writing the answer of Preeti got therefore 1 upon 35 meter more reading than Rani. Got it, beta? Okay, so I am giving you one question to solve. It is quite difficult, but you have to try how to. What to do, beta? Subtract the sum of this from this. So it has 3 questions. This question has 3 questions. First, you have to find the sum of this. Sum means addition. So first add this fraction, then add these 2 fractions, and then subtract this from this. So it is quite difficult, but children, try to solve it. Got it, beta? So here we will stop. Okay. So bye bye, children.